my 97 Volkswagen Passat TDIs. I got it for a pretty good deal. At least I think so. It's pretty mint. Interior's in really good shape for 24, 25-year-old car. Anyhow, the reason I got it so cheaply is because it needs a clutch. So what I'm gonna do, since my real estate is at a premium right now, I've got too much shit standing around. I'm gonna move this where the Passat was parked over to another piece of property so I can put the Passat here and change the clutch and it won't be in the way. Alright, well, the first thing I need to do is verify that we have brakes. They're gonna... Okay. We do have a pedal. They are not great. There's a master cylinder, single circuit. I did put a reman in and change all the wheel cylinders. But it's been a while and it's been sitting. I don't know if that piston is coming back yet. But, and I can't adjust them properly because the shoes I bought they're somewhat right, but they're not. They don't fit the pivot properly. So I don't plan on taking this very far, just enough to get it out of the way of the other car. Now I'm going to let it warm up a little while. Feels like the brakes are locked. Alright, well, we're gonna try it anyway. Thing about this transmission, you can let the clutch out in gear and it won't stall because it has a fluid coupling. She's a loyal old girl. I'm really upset at myself for letting her get so bad. Listen to that flat 6 purr. Well, it was a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. This is the first time the car's moved in probably 7 years or so. And it did okay. It needs to move more, for sure. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would. Thanks, have a great day.